Electronic waste, the ignored, inconvenient reality of our enhanced lives through technology. Fueled by quick and cheap-to-produce plastics, every year over 50 million tons of e-waste is thrown away, 80% of which is not recycled. We must close the loop on e-waste and end the era of plastic. This is our master plan. Using the wonder materials of today, we can redefine the future of tech. This year, we launched the Carbon One Mark II, the thinnest and lightest smartphone built with revolutionary carbon fiber technology. Replacing plastics in the smartphone industry could save 100,000 tons of the Earth's resources every year. That's enough to fill 3,500 containers. And through our partnership with CleanHub, for every Carbon One Mark II sold, 500 grams of ocean-bound plastic waste is collected, making the Carbon One Mark II the world's first plastic-neutral smartphone. Over 1.3 billion mobile devices are built every year, designed with little regard for the Earth's valuable and limited resources they consume. Building smartphones with longer lives is not just good for you, but good for the planet. At Carbon Mobile, we design devices to last. Reliability and repairability core components in every design decision to extend the lives of everything we create. And we are exploring the resources and processes that make recycling our devices simple, valuable, and sustainable. We work with nature. Today, our engineers are exploring how fibers produced from wood waste, algae, and flax plants can drive the next generation of high-performance technologies. Nature is the answer. Next year, we will prove it and introduce the world's first bio-based carbon fiber smartphone, the ultimate example of the sustainable devices of tomorrow.
To help close the loop on e-waste, we want to involve you. Starting 2022, our Carbon Next recycling program will buy your old carbon devices for the sole purpose to test and learn how to recycle devices and build the next generation from them. This way we ensure that the end of life of one device is the beginning of the next. Let's close the loop of e-waste together and accelerate a greener future of tech.